Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your System Fixer. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to get the Windows ISO file directly from Microsoft website. Now, this option has disappeared. To download the ISO image, and you'll notice that only the option of the Media Creation 2L is shown here. Let me show you quickly. Search for Windows 10 ISO download on your browser and click the first link of Microsoft. Then you'll get only the Update Now option, and creating Windows 10 installation media. Can't find any option to download the ISO. Here's a simple trick to solve the issue. Just open the official website on your Chrome, and click on the three-dot icon at the upper left. Then choose More Tools, and click on the Developer Tools. Then, you will find the three-dot icon again. Just click on it again, over up to More Tools. Next, you'll find an option called Network Conditions. Click on it. Here, at the bottom, you'll see the User Agent option, and it says, Use Browser Default. Untick this option, and you'll have this drop-down list. In my case, I choose Chrome Mac OS. This tricks Microsoft into thinking you're using a non-Windows operating system. Next, keep the Developer Tools pane open, and refresh the download page. This time, when it loads, scroll down, and you'll see a drop-down menu, where you can select the edition of the Windows 10 ISO you want to download. Select the edition you need, and click Confirm. Choose your preferred language, and you'll get the option to download either the 32 or 64-bit version. Click 1 to start downloading the ISO. Hopefully, this video helps you download your Windows 10 ISO from the official Microsoft website. If you find this video informative, please like it, and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.